Hello guys, Friday na naman. Tomorrow, walay class too. No, madugay tagmata na yung mapahan kay relax. Mag-relax to guys. Okay, Monday to Friday, kapit itong lawas. Kayo kay tamo mata kay napay trabaho. But karong gabi aog mapuhan so dugay tagmata. And after mata, limpyo. You know, Saturday is general cleaning. Pero na may affair tomorrow, but tanaan lang. Nag-wait ko guys akong kauban kay nagamit pa ko sa charger. Thank you, Raymond Bonefi. Muli mong gulo siya sa ilaha guys. Napuli ako sa room, nagpaabot niya guys. Hamanan among mana ang among kahapon among insta karon municipal meet man ron so 1 o'clock dito magpa-parade ako na pa ko gi-wait akong kauban kinuha ng liwanag guys yung mukha ko kinuha ng liwanag but now wala ng liwanag wala pa niabot akong kauban where is she now where are you now where are you now where are you now not where is she now where are you now Chak, where are you now, Bonefi? I'm waiting for you here. Okay, bye guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Friday. Bye guys.